this video, he's going to teach you how to make turkey stew the right way: thick, rich, and deeply seasoned. This stew isn't just any stew, it's a kind that goes with everything: rice, yam, even bread. It just works. Before we jump into the cooking, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you so much for the support. Let's start with the turkey. I'm keeping it simple but flavorful by using curry, thyme, salt, seasoning powder, chopped onions, and a bit of garlic paste to season my turkey. Feel free to use seasonings and spices of your choice. Mix everything together really well, then cook on low heat. Notice I haven't added any water yet. That's intentional because I am letting the turkey release its own juice first for about 3 minutes, just to build a rich natural stock. After that, I'll go in with some water and cook until the turkey is nice and tender. Once it's cooked, you can fry, grill, or even air fry your turkey. It's totally up to you, but personally I love frying my turkey because that flavor you get from frying, nothing beats it. Fry with onion in the oil just until golden brown, then take them out and set aside. Using the same oil that I use in frying the turkey, I'm going to fry some chopped onions and my preferred seasoning on low heat. For my seasoning, I'm going to be using just curry, thyme, and rosemary. Feel free to use any seasoning and spices of your choice. I'm going to fry this on low heat just until the onions turn translucent. You can use bay leaf, you can use oregano. Just feel free to use whatever you want to use. Next, I'm going to add tomato paste. This is totally optional, by the way, but if you are using tomato paste, make sure to fry it properly until it loses that raw taste. This took around 10 to 15 minutes. Next, go in with your pepper mix. If you have been following this channel for a while, you already know my perfect pepper ratio for stew and jollof base. But if you still want me to show you the ratio, please feel free to let me know in the comment section so that I can do that. Give it a good stir, cover it and let it cook on medium heat. I didn't blend garlic into my pepper mix this time, so I'm adding some garlic paste here. Now, this is where the real work starts because we're going to fry this sauce really well. If you splash, it will get messy, but trust me, that's how you know the flavor is building. Keep stirring so it doesn't burn. One thing about this stew is that the more you fry, the better the taste. So you need to fry this thing properly, like you fry it like your life depends on it. Once you see oil floating on top, you're going to add salt, seasoning, and the fried turkey. Also, you're going to add in the turkey stock. The amount of stock you need depends on how thick or loose you want your stew. Cover it back and let it fry for another 10 minutes on low heat, stirring occasionally. I already pre-cooked my pepper mix before cooking the stew, and that's why the cooking time reduced a bit. So while making this type of stew, be it chicken, turkey, or beef stew, it is important to know that you will need a good amount of oil for that proper stew flavor. Team Fit Farm, team, oh, the oil is too much, please look away because you need this. But don't worry, you can scoop out the excess oil after cooking and save it for later. This is perfect for jollof or even your next stew base. And that's just how you make a delicious pot of turkey stew. Simple, rich, flavorful, and perfect with rice or anything you love. Go ahead and serve with rice and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Would you be making this stew? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you once again. Bye.